Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have an S22 Ultra that's pretty knackered. It's got a broken display and we'll replace it right now. Let's go. So this is going to be a very simple repair relatively because we have our Samsung Galaxy expert here. So David will fix it in no time, and first thing we're going to do is remove the back cover. So David is our resident expert for fixing everything Samsung, so flagship devices such as this S22 Ultra up to entry-level Samsung Galaxy smartphones, he can fix those. So removing the back cover needs extra care because it's made up of glass. This is not plastic. And if it's made of plastic, we still need to be very careful not to slash through the internal components. So we're using a plastic shim here. We're slicing through the adhesive, spraying some IPA. This is a very light alcohol to soften adhesive. And voila, it's now open. You can now see the internal components, and the camera is laid bare. We are removing lots of screws so that we can remove the cover for the main board, daughter board, and of course the battery. And then we're gonna proceed now to the scary part for me, is removing the actual components. And you can see there we have removed the wireless charging module. We're detaching some connectors. Those are for different connections. So you have flex cables running over the battery. It's connecting the daughter board to the main board, and of course we have connectors for the battery. Now we just yanked out the daughter board, and now we are going to remove the main board. And you have a lot of components already on the workbench. And lastly, we are removing some miscellaneous parts in the battery. The battery, in terms of the area, it's quite small but very dense. The S22 Ultra has very long battery life, so it's gonna be tricky to run out of juice with this in good working condition. Some miscellaneous parts. The front camera has to be removed from the old display. It's held on by adhesive. Some components as well. So everything we removed from the old display will be transplanted directly to our replacement display. The replacement display contains the display itself and the housing. So she's just going to be transplanting all the parts into this new housing. So the end result will be a brand new front glass and side panels. So it's going to be looking brand new after this screen replacement. There are some services that can just replace the glass itself, but we're going to take the easy route and the most reliable and replace the entire housing with the display. It's quite nice. It's just speed running the reverse process. It's quite easy. If you want to do this on your own, you can certainly do so, but the price of an S22 Ultra is quite high and the risk is too high as well. So if you want to experiment with an S22 Ultra, make sure it's your own phone and not somebody else's phone. Make sure you know what you're doing. You have tools and parts and the technical know-how to perform these repairs. If you are not keen on doing it yourself, and maybe you can consider a professional help, just like with David here. You can definitely reach out to your local repair service technician, or you can go to Sydney CBD Repair Center and have it fixed right here in the shop. If you're away, living far away, New Zealand, Asia, the US, you can mail in your broken smartphone and we'll fix it here in the shop. And this exact process will be done to your S22 Ultra. We also fix iPhones. If you have iPhones that needs new display and new battery, you can certainly do so. And expect that your device will come back to you, will be sent back to you in good working condition. Just message David beforehand so you know where to send, when to expect your smartphone to get fixed. And this S22 Ultra looks good so far. It's now booting up. We're testing the cameras, the buttons, the S Pen. Still got the S Pen. And you can see the cameras all working. That's David there. We're pulling out the S Pen. There you go. It's working. And there you have it. It's good. So the last thing that we're gonna put back is the back cover. We're gonna reuse the old adhesive. It's still good, and we'll wipe this down the sides and the main display because we are gonna give the client cover. This is not tempered glass, it's just plastic, just to keep the micro scratches away. And in the event that unfortunate event that this display will be broken again, it's not going to be shattered into many pieces. And look at that, that's how a pro installs a cover. No dust whatsoever. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. I hope you're enjoying the new year. I hope you're in good health, and thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel. We will release new videos in the coming days, and this is the before and after. Thanks for joining. Take care. We'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious.